A migraine is not just a simple headache, it is a complex neurological event. It often begins subtly, perhaps with a strange visual disturbance. This might be flashing lights or zigzag lines. Some people experience a peculiar numbness or tingling on one side of their body. This initial phase is known as the aura. Many individuals, however, do not experience an aura. Their migraine journey starts directly with the pain, catching them completely unawares. Then, the pain truly commences. It is often a throbbing, pulsating sensation. This pain frequently localizes to one side of the head. The intensity can build rapidly. Simple movements like turning your head can worsen the agony. Bright lights become unbearable. Everyday sounds can feel like thunder. Even gentle smells might induce nausea. This hypersensitivity is a hallmark of a true migraine attack. It forces the sufferer to seek refuge in a dark, quiet room. Beyond the head pain, other distressing symptoms often accompany a migraine. Nausea is very common. Vomiting can also occur, leaving one feeling drained and weak. Many report feeling dizzy or experiencing vertigo. Concentration becomes nearly impossible. The aftermath of a migraine, often called the postdrome phase, can be equally challenging. In the quest for relief from such debilitating migraine attacks, many are turning towards natural remedies. Two such promising natural allies are Belladonna 200C and lavender essential oil. Belladonna is a well-known homeopathic medicine. Lavender oil is widely celebrated for its calming aromatic properties. Belladonna, when used in its homeopathic preparation, specifically Belladonna 200C, addresses particular types of migraines. These are typically migraines that come on suddenly. The pain is often throbbing or pulsating. There might be redness of the face and a sensation of heat. Lavender essential oil offers relief primarily through aromatherapy. Its gentle fragrance has a profound calming effect on the nervous system. Steam inhalation with lavender oil can be particularly soothing during a migraine. The lavender aroma works to reduce stress and anxiety, which are common migraine triggers. For individuals seeking alternatives to strong painkillers, Belladonna 200C and lavender oil present valuable options. They represent a move towards more natural, sustainable health management. The use of belladonna, derived from the plant, commonly known as deadly nightshade, has ancient roots. Historically, it was recognized for its potent effects. Extracts of the plant were used for various medicinal and cosmetic purposes. It was Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, the founder of homeopathy, who systematically proved belladonna. He documented its effects on healthy individuals, establishing its homeopathic symptom picture. Homeopathy transformed belladonna from a potentially dangerous substance into a safe and effective medicine. Lavender also boasts a rich history of medicinal and therapeutic use. The ancient Egyptians used lavender for mummification and as a perfume. The Romans used it for bathing, cooking, and scenting the air. Its name is derived from the Latin word lavar, meaning to wash. Scientifically, lavender essential oil's benefits are attributed to its complex chemical composition, particularly compounds like linalool and linaloyl acetate. These components have been studied for their anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing, sedative, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic, pain-relieving effects. Belladonna 200C is a specific homeopathic remedy chosen based on a distinct set of symptoms. The hallmark of a belladonna migraine is its sudden and violent onset. The pain often appears out of nowhere, reaching peak intensity very quickly. The character of the pain is also crucial. Belladonna is indicated for intense, throbbing, or pulsating pain. Sufferers often describe it as a hammering sensation. There is typically a marked redness of the face, or at least a flushed appearance. The affected area often feels hot to the touch. Sensitivity to light, noise, and even jarring movements is usually extreme. When these symptoms are present, Belladonna 200C can be taken. Homeopathic remedies are typically available as small sugar pellets or liquid dilutions. For acute conditions like a migraine, a common approach is to take 2 to 3 pellets directly under the tongue. The frequency of dosage can vary. It is important to note that if there is no improvement after a few doses, belladonna might not be the correct remedy for that specific migraine episode. Lavender essential oil offers a wonderfully soothing and natural approach to migraine relief, primarily through steam inhalation. This method combines the therapeutic benefits of lavender with the comforting effects of warm steam. The steam itself can help to relax tense facial and neck muscles. The addition of lavender oil elevates this simple practice into a potent aromatherapeutic intervention. Its calming scent works directly on the nervous system to promote relaxation and reduce stress. To prepare a lavender oil steam inhalation, you will need a bowl of hot, not boiling water, and a good quality, pure lavender essential oil. Add 2 to 4 drops of lavender oil to the hot water. Lean over the bowl, keeping your face at a comfortable distance to avoid steam burns. Drape a towel over your head and the bowl to create a tent. Close your eyes and breathe deeply and slowly for about 5 to 10 minutes. The warm, lavender-infused steam can provide almost immediate comfort. Many individuals have shared anecdotal accounts of finding significant relief from their migraines using Belladonna 200C and lavender oil. For instance, a person who typically experienced sudden throbbing headaches with extreme light sensitivity might report that taking Belladonna 200C at the onset dramatically reduced the intensity and duration of the attack. Such personal stories, while not formal scientific proof, offer powerful testimonies to the potential benefits of these natural approaches. Similarly, users of lavender oil steam inhalation often speak of its calming and pain-lessening effects. Someone who frequently suffers from tension-related migraines might find that a 10-minute steam inhalation session helps to melt away the stress, ease neck tension, and diminish the headache. These experiences highlight how lavender can address not just the physical pain, but also the emotional distress that often accompanies migraines. While large-scale, double-blind, placebo-controlled trials specifically for Belladonna 200C and migraines are an area for further research, the principles of homeopathy and its individualized approach have been studied. Some clinical studies and systematic reviews looking at homeopathy for headaches and migraines overall have indicated positive outcomes. Regarding lavender, scientific research has provided more direct support for its therapeutic properties. Several studies have investigated the effects of lavender oil inhalation on anxiety, stress, and pain. A clinical trial published in 2012 found that inhalation of lavender essential oil was an effective and safe treatment modality in the acute management of migraine headaches. Embracing natural remedies like Belladonna 200C and lavender oil, steam inhalation can be a significant step towards managing migraines more gently and holistically. The primary advantage of these methods is their remarkable safety profile. Unlike many conventional pain medications, homeopathic belladonna and lavender aromatherapy are generally free from such concerns when used appropriately. This makes them particularly appealing for individuals who experience frequent migraines or those sensitive to pharmaceutical drugs. To begin incorporating these remedies, it is advisable to first familiarize yourself with the specific indications. For Belladonna 200C, ensure your migraine symptoms align with its profile: sudden onset, throbbing pain, redness, and heat. Keep the remedy on hand so you can take it at the very first sign of such a migraine. For lavender oil, procure a high-quality, pure essential oil. Prepare for steam inhalation as soon as you feel a migraine developing or when you are under significant stress. Consistency and timely intervention are often key to achieving the best results with natural therapies. Trying these gentle, natural options could open up a new chapter of improved health and a life less dominated by the fear of the next migraine attack.